Assalamu alaikum guys. It's Eid. Eid Mubarak everyone. On my way to the mosque now to meet Hedy. We're gonna go there together. I'm on my way to the junction now from here.
Around the world, ooh, it's time to celebrate. Oh, yeah. Chalo, chalo, sab Eid manaye, jashan manaye, khushiyon se.
I think that's him over there. Is that Hedy? I think it's him. Hey! Hedy! Hedy! Assalamu alaikum. Eid Mubarak, bro. Habibi. You haven't slept, haven't you? Not at all. Serious? Listen, I call shotgun. I said there's shotgun on the vlog. Shadi! Any good? Mubarak, bro. Is there any food inside? She's taken over.
Who do you know?
There you go. Who do I know? Yeah. No, Beyonce.
You don't know Beyonce?
I do.
Now I'm gonna vlog. Hello,
Hello,
Hedy.
behind the camera is Isla. Isla, say hi.
Hi.
How old are you,
Hey.
I'm 9.
You're 9. En route to Eid Salah, get me. Basically, me and Hussein have been beefing for shotgun. Because basically he said he said shotgun in the vlog. I explained to them in the vlog. Okay, basically he said he said shotgun in the vlog, but I weren't present. Sacrificed my place, innit? Yeah, he sacrificed it. Aaron. Oh, look at Aaron. You look at Carasina.
Hey, hold on. What are you doing?
Hold on.
You're vlogging?
You don't even have a tripod.
Like you know, but you know that you hate. Yeah, you know no better.
Hedy.
You know better. You know no better. Ooh, God, being around you, like I ain't about you. Sorry if you down, I'm down. High class, sorry's over. Hella spice, you got only bitches bad.
So guys, we're going to this tent here in Norbury Park. Everyone comes together and prays.
I'll just save us a space and let's go in together.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, La ilaha illallah, Allahu Akbar, Allah.
ونشهد أن سيدنا ونبينا ومولانا محمدا عبده ورسوله صلى الله عليه وعلى آله وأصحابه وسلم تسليما كثيرا أما بعد.
This is what Islam is about. I'm telling you, brotherhood and love. When the trailers are that fresh.
You got the 5p on, son.
Birds, mate, aren't we? Oh, that was funny.
Eid Mubarak!
She told me she like me, my tattoos and everything I do and everything fresh. Your friend of mine asked you about the way that I'm moving, but really make a mess. You reply that can explain it. I seen the messages, baby. Nothing to hide, I know that you like it inside. She said I'm going too much.
It's a race thing. Oh my god! She can win! Ronaldo! Ronaldo! Bob is mental, I swear to God.
I'm highly with her.
I think time too.
Bob is mad! I can't believe what's happening. I can't believe what's happening.
You're crazy! You guys nearly hit me, bro. You're crazy!
That was the waviest journey of life.
You're... Wait. Did you video it?
Yeah, but I didn't get the mad part. You know which part was the mad part? When we went round like 2 cars and straight on comments.
I had to come all the way around to the left lane behind me.
I was at AJ's house for a bit. I was helping him edit his video. And now I'm on my way home. And yeah. What do you want?
Stop laughing!
Tim, did you get your burger?
Yeah.
Are you gonna eat all of it?
I won't give you that.
Can I have some?
No.
Did you enjoy your burger? Guys, he just left the bread. He ate all the meat and just left the bread. Nice. So guys, it's actually the next morning now. I have to drop this one to school. I'm gonna end the vlog here. I couldn't record the rest because my battery was low and I didn't have a charger. So I'm gonna end the vlog here.
Bye bye.
Bye everyone.
Bye everyone.
So yeah, see you guys. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. See you later.
بس عادي ولا لا؟ قول لي واحد زي ما مثلا انت لانك انت ابني